So this is a primer. It's been watered down to about 30%, which is like the equivalent to like half a pint of water. It is all, you'll get all the instructions anyway with this, but just to show you obviously what it looks like before it's then applied. So we're cutting all of this in first of all. So we're going to go down the edges and then work our way around the rest of the space with the primer. When the primer's thinned down, it goes on really easy and it covers really well. As you can see, we're doing it with a roller. Gets the job done quicker. Still as effective if you do it in other ways, but obviously this is the quickest way of doing it, and it applies it all evenly as well, as you can see. So this is a primer that's now all dry. You can see how solid the colour is with just one coat. So we're now ready to go on to the next stage. So